Hello my beautiful people, how you all doing today? Today is the 14th of April, so 2 more days for the giveaway. So today I'm just giving you guys a beautiful view and a beautiful song of nature. So just enjoy the moment. This is gonna be something that you could relax and ease your mind. So all I'm gonna be doing with this video is just let you take in nature for a moment. Please enjoy this video, guys. All right? Nature is beautiful, my people. Just enjoy the song, enjoy the view. This is good for meditating. This will put you into a serious meditating mood, into meditation. So you got to just feel the rhythm, listen to the song, feel the vibes. This is a tree. Look how long this tall this tree was. That's the root of that tree over there. And look where I'm at. So you see nature operate like how we operate. One day you up in the air and one day you could fall. Listen to the songs. It will ease your mind. Listen to the rhythm. Listen to the birds chirping. It will ease your mind. Nature is in action. Nature, entwine with nature and you will feel free. Entwine with nature and you will become a part of it. Yeah, nature is in action. Nature in action. While I'm here, this is a warm land right on me. You see? That's a worm right there. Nature in action, guys. It mightn't be a worm, it might be small caterpillar or something. But you see, look, I don't know if you see it. You see the amount of stuff flying around? Yes. Nature is in action. Yes, my people, you want to find yourself? Get entwined with nature. Look at the trees. Look at the butterflies. Hear how the birds chirp. Nature is in action. Entwine with nature. You will feel free. Just like the birds that flies around the sky. If you want to feel free, watch this video. Watch this video and you will feel free. Let this video put you to bed at night. The songs, the rhythm, the beat, the birds chirping, the butterfly flying. Oh yeah, let it be. This is the tree that I'm just standing on and I can feel the vibration from the earth. I can feel the vibration. I can feel the rhythm. I can feel the music. I can hear the beat. Nature is in action. Guys, make sure you check out this video because this is nature. I'm giving you guys a view of nature. All right, this is nature right here. The plants, everything is beautiful. This is a creek right down here. This is a creek. Oh, you see that board? Look at that red board right there. I don't know if you're seeing it. You see it? You see it? It's flapping. Nature. That's a creek right down there. Oh, oh, you see it? Yeah, look at right there. You see it? Yeah, that's a song of nature. Beautiful board. Look how pretty it is right there. Oh, I don't know. You see it? Oh, beautiful. Yeah, this is a creek. This is the river. I don't know if you see the river. That's a river right there. Nature is in action. Nature. So yes, my people, this video is just to give you guys a little about nature and how nature is important, and how if you only understand nature, you could be at ease. If you only understand how nature operates, you could be at peace. If you only understand how nature operates, you will feel like you and nature are one. So this is just a view, my people. I hope you guys enjoy this video because, you know, I went out my way to show you guys this beautiful view. All right, so I hope you all enjoy. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you guys. Blessing and love to each and every one.